Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
You begin now. Connect the iPhone to a Mac or PC using the correct cable and put it into recovery or DFU mode depending on model. That enables a clean restore. You do this because a locked device blocks normal boot. Recovery forces firmware-level access so software can be reinstalled. Once done, open Finder or iTunes and detect the device. Make sure to note the device model and OS version offered, since the restore will replace all data. You now choose Restore in Finder or iTunes because a restore removes the lock by reinstalling iOS. Update often won't clear activation locks. If prompted, let the computer download the signed IPSWA matching your device. This ensures compatibility and avoids bricks. While the software extracts and installs, do not interrupt power or disconnect. Interruptions can corrupt the flash. Once the install finishes, the device will reboot into setup mode. This sequence is you finish by completing the on-device setup. If activation lock appears, you must sign in with the Apple ID originally linked because activation lock prevents unauthorized use. If you cannot, prepare original purchase proof and contact Apple support. This is the only official bypass. If the restore fails, retry using DFU mode, try a different USB port or cable, or use another Mac or PC to eliminate local software issues. Finally, keep backups next time to avoid total data loss.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.